Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 14 that has been taken from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 4 determinant in CRT 12 mathematics. Question is, using the properties of determinants prove that elements of first row 1 plus p 1 plus p plus q, elements of second row 2 3 plus 2p 4 plus 3p plus 2q, elements of third row 3 6 plus 3p 10 plus 6p plus 3q is equal to 1. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let determinant equal to let determinant equal to that elements of first row 1 plus p 1 plus p plus q, elements of second row 2 3 plus 2p 4 plus 3p plus 2q, elements of third row 3 6 plus 3p 10 plus 6p plus 3q. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here you can see in first row 1 is there. My aim is to get maximum number of zeros in any one column or any one zeros in the determinant. So if you do the operation, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. Think about the first column here. Here 1 is there, here 3 is there. If you multiply to 1 by 3, comes out to be 3. Get 3 subtracted from 3, will get here 0. Like this, if you multiply here 1 by 2, you will get here 2. 2 will be subtracted from 2, you will get here 0. So here I shall use the property. By using the property, using the properties R2 goes to R2 minus 2 times R1. This property I shall use. R2 goes to R2 minus 2 times R1. This means that R1 will, each element of R1 will get multiplied by 2, and thereafter it will be subtracted from R2. So here it will become that equal to R2 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the second row. There will be no changes in first row and third row. So here I shall write first row as it is 1 plus p 1 plus p plus q I shall write. In second row, think about, here I shall do the rough work here. R2 goes to R2 minus 2 times R1. This is the case. R2 goes to R2. If I take the element of R2 as 2, so here I2 minus 2 times R1, 2 into the corresponding element of 2 in the first row is 1, multiplies 1, here you will get 0. So here comes out to be here 0, and like this R2 goes to R2. if I take the element of R2 as 3 plus 2p, so here I 3 plus 2p minus 2 times R1. So 2 times R1 minus 2 I have written, and the corresponding element of 3 plus 2p in the first row will be 1 plus p. So here write 1 plus p. Comes out to be R2 goes to 3 plus 2p minus 2 minus 2p. This thing you will get. Bracket will be broken. 1 will multiply 2, comes out to here 2, and plus or minus will multiply here minus. I will get here minus 2p. So this thing will get. This thing will be cancelled out. Here R2 goes to equal to 1. 3 minus 2 comes out to here 1. So here you will get 1. This thing can be erased. Now again, if you take the element of R2 as 4 plus 3p plus 2q, R2 goes to R2 minus 2 times R1. So here I have written the element of R2 4 plus 3p plus 2q minus 2 times R1. The corresponding element of 4 plus 3p plus 2q in the first row will be 1 plus p plus q. Do the operation here. You will get here 4 plus 3p plus 2q minus 2 minus p minus q. You will get 4 plus 3p plus 2q minus 2 minus 2p. This is minus 2p. So here we will get minus 2 minus 2p minus 2q. Here minus 2q is there. So here minus 2 minus 2p minus 2q we will get. So plus 2q minus 2q will cancel out, and also here 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 comes out to here 2 plus 3p minus 2p comes out to here only p. 4 minus 2 comes out to here 2 plus 3p minus 2p comes out to here p. So here you will get 2 plus p. This thing you will get. And elements of third row I shall write as it is. Elements of third row I shall write as it is. 3, 6 plus 3p I shall write, and this will become 10 plus 6p plus 3 cube. This thing you will get. Now what to do next? Next you can see here 3 is there. So here I want to be, in place of 3, I want to be 0. What to do in case? R3 minus, if you subtract 3 times of 1, comes out to 3. 3 minus 3 comes out to here 0. So here I shall leave the property R3 goes to R3 minus 3 times R1. This property R3 goes to R3 minus 3 times R1. So here I shall get det equal to elements of first row I shall write as it is 1 plus p, 1 plus p plus cube I shall write. And also elements of second row I shall write as it is 0, 1, 2 plus p I shall write. And R3 minus 3 times R1. So now R3, if I take the element of R3 as 3 minus 3 times R1, the corresponding element of 3 in the first row will be 1. So 3 times R1, 1 will multiply to 3 comes out to here 3. So 3 minus 3 comes out to here 0. And if I take the element of R3 as 6 plus 3p, 6 plus 3p minus 3 times R1, 1 plus p. This thing I shall do the operation. 6 plus 3p minus 3 minus 3p. So this one will cancel. I will get here only 3. Minus 3 minus 3p plus 3p minus 3p will cancel out. We will get here 6 minus 3 comes out to here 3. So here you have got 3. So here I shall write 3. Here I shall write 3. Now what we will do next? Next element you can see, if I take the element 10 plus 6p plus 3q in the third row, so here R3 I shall write 10 plus 6p plus 3q minus 3 times R1 minus 3 I shall write R1, the corresponding element of 10 plus 6p plus 3q in the first row will be 1 plus p plus cube. So here you will get 10 plus 6p plus 3q minus 3 minus 3p minus 3 cube minus 3 minus 3p minus 3 cube. So here plus 3 cube minus 3 cube will cancel out, and also here you will get 10 minus 3 comes out to 7 plus 6p minus 3p comes out to here 3p. This thing will be written. So here write 7 plus 3p. This thing you have got. Now here you can see in first column you have got 0 at 2 places. So what we will do? We shall expand this determinant along first column. So here I shall write expanding determinant along C1. So here you will get plus minus plus. So here date will be expanding date along C1. So here write plus 1. And here you can see plus 1. So now the minor of plus 1 will be, since plus 1 is there in first row and first column, the first row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 1 as 1, 2 plus p, 3, 7 plus 3p. Now get the solution of this one. Here you can see elements of principal diagonal are 1 and 7 plus 3p. The elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. Minus the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. 3 will multiply to 2, comes out to here 6. Plus minus will multiply together, will get here minus. And 3 will multiply to p, comes out to be 3p. This thing you will get. This thing will be cancelled out. So here you will get date is equal to 7 minus 6, comes out to here 1. You have got equal to RHS. So here I can write LHS equal to RHS. Now the question has got proved. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 14, miscellaneous exercise chapter 4, determinants NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.